Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see Street View in Google Maps step by step. Street View lets you explore roads and places with 360-degree panoramic images, so let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to the Google Maps website. In the search box, type the location you want to explore. Then press Enter. Once the location appears on the map, look at the bottom right corner. You'll see the yellow Pegman icon. Click and hold the yellow Pegman icon. Blue lines and blue dots will appear on the map. Drag the Pegman onto a blue road or blue dot. Release the mouse button. Google Maps will open Street View for that location. To move around, click the arrows on the road or double-click a point in front of you. You can also use the plus and minus buttons to zoom in or out. When you're finished, click the back arrow in the top left corner to return to the normal map view. And that's it. You've successfully viewed Street View in Google Maps. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Maps tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.